Let's take a look now at the scrap transaction under the adjustment section. The scrap transaction, as it shows from the name, this transaction is mainly used to scrap some items. This may be due to some defects in the items or any other reason that you are going to find at the customer side. They need to scrap some items, some units of the items, okay? Let's say that, let's create a new scrap transaction. Here in the product menu, in the product field, I'm going to select which item exactly that we need to scrap some quantity of it. For example, let's select this item, and in the quantity here, I'm going to enter the exact quantity of this item that you want to scrap. Okay, here in the replenish quantities, this checkbox, if we check on this replenish quantity option, it means that we need from the system to automatically generate replenishment order for the quantity being scrapped for this item. Okay, also you can define here the scrap reason, like for example, defects. You can say that the reason for scrapping this quantity is that we find some defects in these 5 units. Okay, also if you use the package with this item, you can select which package exactly that you want to use in this transaction. Here, the source location is going to be the stock location where this quantity that you're going to scrap now is stored now in this location, and the scrap location, as we always say, is going to be a virtual location used in this transaction at the source location. Okay. Also, if you have any internal document, like any source document, I mean, that you want to link with this transaction, like for example, if you're having like the quality report issued from the quality department, identifying these 5 units as scrapped items, you can enter here whatever the name, the number of this report, or whatever any other document that you need to mention its internal number here, just for internal reference and tracking. Okay. The status of this transaction now is in the draft. Once we validate the transaction, it's going to be in the done status, and also you can check the moves, the product moves from here. You're going to find that this transaction at this number 5, and this is the item, and also this is a quantity in red because this item has been issued or moved, moved out from our inventory. Okay. This is the source location, the stock location, and this also is the destination location, which is a virtual location. I mean to say that this is just for completing the scrap transaction. It's not an actual location, okay? Also, yes, because we selected the checkbox replenish quantity, we can also check the replenishment order created from the system. As of course you expect, it's going to be in the purchase application or purchase module. Yes, here is the transaction, the request for quotation created for this item 1, with the 5 quantity being scrapped. Okay. Okay, that's all for the scrap transaction. Thank you, and let's move to the next point.